things that I do that have nothing to do with my partner in order for me to have a healthy nervous system and my window of welcoming, my openness to connect, my availability. The biggest one is nature. Nature walks. Slowing down, allowing myself to be present without screens and devices, even though I have one right now. It's just defeating the purpose, but it's all for you guys. Yeah, slowing down is huge. Allowing myself to enjoy a sunrise, enjoy a sunset, so that way my natural inner rhythms can be reset, melatonin can be produced accordingly, so that I can have a good night's sleep. All this stuff allows our body to be nourished. And when we don't feel nourished, we feel under-resourced, we immediately go into self-protection and we don't feel willing to open up and connect. So these are just really simple things that we can do that's really loving for ourselves, but it's also in service to our relationship and the love that we ultimately want to have in our life.